Season started already, and now if you were watching earlier, we've added arms to the robots, so that's a new feature. I'm here with Jeff Saturday, Jeremy Fowler, members from the Xavier High School football team, and Elliot Kastner, who's behind this thing, which is called MVP Mobile Virtual Player. Tell us about the addition of the arms, because you can add them in a number of different positions.
Sure. So right now we've added what we use for our quarterback pressure drill, which is vertical arms that kind of simulate what it would be like to have a defender in front of your face as you're making a pass.
Yeah, no, and I love this too, because if you put them down in a horizontal position for an offensive lineman, you can put it in a wide 3 technique. If you're playing tackle and you have a 5 technique you're facing that week, just your step for your technique, being able to get your hand placement inside those 2 arms, it's fantastic. And something's moving at you or can be moving at angles towards you with that thump. I mean, it basically simulates exactly what you're looking for.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're an NFL head coach and you have the love child between a robot and a tackling dummy, I mean, what's not to like? You know, I've talked to coaches about this. They say the functionality, so you can rest players. Right. You know, you got 90 guys at an OTA. You can use all of them in real reps while these guys do some of the dirty work. Now, some of the issues that I've talked to players about is, you know, can you really simulate true movements like a, you know, LaShawn McCoy cut on a dime? How much of that you can do? I'd be interested in your perspective.
Yeah, I would say the one thing about that is very, very rarely, right? 7-on-7, 9-on-7, and team are basically the only 3 drills you're going to have that anyway. Most of the other work throughout practices, it's I'm participating as a running back as we're doing O-line drills or 9-on-7 because you don't have enough. Again, you don't have enough running backs on your squad to take all of those reps. And so, yeah, I get the point of the actual natural motion. You can still get it in the normal 3 drills. It's the other drills I feel like you can really use it and benefit greatly.
Elliot, take us through some of these drills that you were saying that we could run here.
So right now we're running kind of a pursuit drill. So what your players are getting is that, you know, real live motion in an angle tackle where, you know, the first drill, now he's acting as a D lineman, and then you have your quarterback motion. So typically this drill would have been done on a static dummy that's standing there, and, you know, no player's ever really missed a dummy that doesn't move. And now we're adding in that little bit of live motion they
nice
see.
Little slap rip by these young men from Xavier.
Yeah, that's some good form. Good form for sure.
That's Falcons football.
Looking so good. I like too the speed. I mean, I know we can go as fast. You can get up to 18 miles an hour, but even at that pace right there, you can look at these kids. They're going to get tired going back and forth at this, even at just your normal speed. Because again, what you're accustomed to is a big bag sitting right in front of you, never having any movement. So with just a small amount of movement, it changes your angle of pursuit greatly, which is exactly what coaches want to continue to do on the football field.
And it challenges players in that last second before contact to really be live and present in the drill, which, you know, is something we've never really seen before. So being able to, you know, make them have to cut left, cut right, you know, just plant themselves a little bit.
And run your feet, right? Yeah. I mean, when you get to it, as you watch these kids, watching the slap rip, even in the finish part of this, he has to run his feet. That thing's still running away or moving away from him. He has to continue to chase his feet with his hips to get into that, to get the extension. All of that are little tricks to the trade that you don't learn on a static bag, right? That's why you go to player on player to really be able to simulate it. But you're simulating it right there without the danger of the, for lack of a better word, the dummy who's getting hit, you know, head hitting the back of the ground or, you know, getting smacked around or falling funny and getting injured. You're just limiting the amount of contact between 2 players. I think it's great. I mean, I think it's a fantastic thing.
And screenplays are such a big deal in the NFL now, and the players I talk to, what they love is that specific play. If you're acting as a running back iteration going 18 miles an hour, if you're a linebacker, you take your angle. If you're a DN, you take your angle. And everybody just runs the ball, but you can have 20, 30 guys do it at once and simulate that.
Sure.
And I think you were going to show us a running back demo as well.
So we use it as a running back or for running backs. We can queue up them in a second on the on another drill. I think they got 3 they're running through right now. One of the other big things that opens up for offensive linemen as well is the ability to practice cutting on a mobile target, because, you know, at our practices, the offensive linemen, 300-pound guys, don't want to be throwing their body around at our, you know, starting linebackers and whatnot. So having something that is at least moving but not potentially posing a risk to the player who's taking
get to Elliot's point, what you would normally have to do, you have to set a big throw bag where you land, you're not landing on the hard ground, or as you hit that bag moves away from you, and it does hurt. You only want to throw one time. You don't want to keep going through repetitive drills of something running away from you and trying to throw it here.
go.
Elliot, what do one of these cost? If somebody wants to call you guys up and order one. What's
Sure.
it cost to get one of these in the backyard?
This fall, during our limited release, each dummy is $8,000, and we're working on developments and improvements to see that be able to move into more of a youth market where we know teams are working on a much more limited budget.
Yeah, we were talking, Elliot, you're talking about shrinking the bag as well, right? Getting it more specific to youth model and all those kinds of things,
Definitely.
which again goes right to what you're looking for, youth sport and developing kids without. There's the running back drill. I like it. Little post, little face action there.
That's 180 pounds right there, too. Apparently those are heftier than you'd think.
Right now, Elliot, is this the only size it comes in?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're about a year into kind of manufacturing, working with Rogers Athletics. So this is our first model. This is the first and foremost MVP ever out there on the market, and it's what you're going to see for the next year. And as we keep developing, we can start seeing other sizes and shapes.
I was going to say, so can you eventually make one of these the size of an NFL lineman?
Sure. I mean, that'd be a lot of mass moving around on the field. They're pretty fast. So.
Listen, if you want a very realistic simulation, I'm just wondering if we're getting like a 300-pound one of these.
I don't know for practice if I want to hit a 300-pound, 18-mile-an-hour machine. I mean,
Especially with wheels on it.
I like it this size. I'm a fan of 180 pounds.
Okay, Jeff had brought it up. They go 18.5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Because they can take off, especially if they're on concrete or not in the grass. But I've been told that Jeremy Fowler accepts the challenge. He's going to race one when we come back.
No doubt.
This one's bailed. He's not in.
Absolutely not.
But
Hand me pull,
Matt
no chance.
Berry is somewhere warming up right now. He's probably going to come out here all geared up. Oh, he's over here.
He
Never
is.
mind. He's not warming up. He's just sitting down. He's going to just get destroyed by this robot.
He's running. So you want us to throw you?
All right, welcome back to Sports Center here. Things are really about to go off the rails because we've been showing you this new football fad. It's called MVP, Mobile Virtual Player, where these robots can simulate what it's like being a real-life player for tackling purposes, drill purposes. They can simulate pressuring the quarterback. They also go 18.5 miles an hour. So when Matt was out here earlier, it brought up to mind, why doesn't Matt race this thing? He loves racing. Fowler's in. Fowler's going to race. So we're going to set the robots off there. They've got pavement. Matt is in his very best dress socks in the grass.
Yeah.
So those are going to get grass.
I need a head start. There's no way I'm beating this thing. But I'm going to give it a shot.
Well, you're getting a head start. Am I doing the go here?
Yeah, what's your name? Quarterback? Huh? Mike, just lead me, Mike. I'll get under it.
Oh, is Mike giving you a pass
Yeah,
here?
Mike's throwing it.
So
We're
we've
going
upped
a
the
whole
ante?
football drill here,
This is going to
Sarah.
be a real disaster. All right, ready, set, go.
Oh, weak throw, Mike. Then blame the quarterback. God.
You know what? That's so like a TV anchor, Mike. Don't worry about that.
Mike, come on. You got to
it's
lead
never,
me, buddy.
You know, it's never Matt Berry's fault.
All right,
the
Fowler,
prompter
your
didn't
turn.
work. Oh, I didn't get my scripts. Although I will say, Barry, you were kind of close to it until you turned back around for the pass.
I had to chin check. Blame the quarterback.
Yeah, you were doing okay. Fowler, you ready for this?
Come on, Fowler.
Here we go, Fowler. You guys ready?
You got it.
Ready, set, go. Oh, just take. Oh, Fowler jumped that. That's a false start.
Oh, that's it.
Our only professional athlete out here, Jeff Saturday, took off. He wanted no part of this. Hey, listen, our thanks as we get set to sign off here for the Xavier High School football team. Barry has pulled a hamstring. He won't be with us next
More like a
week.
groin.
Go Falcon football. Thanks, MVP, for coming out, bringing us your tackling dummies. Somebody get Barry and Fowler some water.